Good morning, everyone. We are going to a Cars and Coffee today. I'm waiting on Smith. Smith, my buddy with the E92 M3. Gotta take a couple pictures before, and then we'll be heading out. This meet is hosted by our good friend John Mascarenas and his buddy Vivek. They run a little coffee cart and in collaboration with Detailing World, I believe, in Union. So it's gonna be pretty fun. Always some cool cars that comes out to the meets, so definitely want to show you guys and just get some clips. Look who decided to come out. Now this is cute right here. Good morning.
Morning.
Mr. Moneybags Double M owner.
It's not me. I'm not shaking your hand.
1M owner. A 1.5 M owner. So Smith owns an E92 M3, as you can see, as well as a G20 M340i. And then I got this. Huh? What?
Ready?
Ready for what?
Go.
Yeah. I'm ready. I don't have my phone, but yeah, I'm ready. Are those ducts functional on the lip? Like, do they actually?
I guess.
This guy's a ricer. This guy.
I guess it lets airflow go through. Yeah.
Skedaddle. Fucking daddle. All right, made it. I'm parked up really tight next to this other M3. There's a lot of cars here.
That's not cool.
Smith
I mean, I was gonna come for CC anyways, but then I saw the post like
parked up in front.
I'm here. Don't worry.
Very cool.
Yeah.
It seems like this is like a BMW meet. I don't know, because there's a lot of BMWs and there's like a booth over there that says NJ Chapter BMW Car Club of America. So, and there's a fuck ton of BMWs. So.
Yeah.
Yo, well, you parked here?
Yeah. No, this is me.
Wait, no, this is Hans. I didn't realize it was a BMW meet.
Yeah, CCA. You didn't see this fucking CCA thing?
No.
How are you?
So now we're gonna get coffee, made by Mr. John himself. There are way too many BMWs here. I feel kind of intimidated. Granted, they're nice BMWs, but can't help but feel intimidated. So I'm gonna go walk over to Smith because I'm shy and I don't like walking by myself, and I don't see any of my friends. So I'm just gonna keep it moving. Yeah, keep it moving. These Apex wheels look nice.
Who's?
Just any Apexes, like this guy's on Apexes.
Is it? Is it? I didn't know Tommy's up. Yeah, I was, if they make those for the G20, I might do it. I know. Yeah, I agree.
Nice. Wait, is this Z4?
Yeah. This
is
Z4,
shit.
yeah.
I never see these.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I know of its existence, but I never see them out here.
70,000.
Like, no. Like,
yeah, that's.
Yeah, you're not going to do that.
Buy a 340.
There's enough of that.
No. There's not enough 340s, Smith.
Enough 340.
That Type R has the whole Spoon catalog on it, bro.
Oh, shit.
I got money.
Why don't you?
Huh? I don't got money like that.
I watched a donut video about Spoon, and they were like, we make affordable parts for Honda. I'm like,
yeah, all right.
Affordable?
All right.
Sure about that?
Maybe if you live in Japan. Yeah.
You know, what could be you?
What?
Huh? He's
No,
recording, right? There we go. Open up.
I
Oh,
know
yeah.
this guy with the Corolla, but I'm forgetting his...
Team Toyminator. This is nice. You never really see these.
Yeah, the owner's right there. Yeah, he's asking who owns the blue Supra.
Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Well, yeah, it'd be nice to.
All right, are we good here? So we are in detailing world. The MotorsportBrews cart ran by John and Vivek. I'm here with Big Money Bags, Trapper, 2M owner, Smith. He's looking around like he doesn't exist, but he's right here.
All that.
It's
Everything
definitely
you just
him.
said, that's not
Definitely
me.
him.
Everything you said was false.
This is Shreyish if he was a car.
Wow. You know the door handle in the front too.
Wait, how do you get in? You open the whole thing? Yo, that's
Whole thing,
nuts.
And then you pull it back.
That's funny. Oh shit, they have the cups and everything too?
Nah, I think so too.
So I believe I got the
but
banana maple
I feel
spice
like drop top
iced coffee with cold foam
three, I
and
would love it.
lemon blueberry muffin. I love lemon
I feel like you
blueberry.
eat that up.
Blueberry lemon's
I
great.
really wanted it.
Shout out John and Vivek. Their coffee and goods are amazing. You should check it out. But back to the meat. So we've moved spots. We're here at the AMC next door because we got kicked out by the. Well, we didn't get kicked out, but we didn't want to disturb the rest of the property here. Lots of cool cars still, though. A lot more than just BMWs, because this is like the general meet now for the poor guys like us. Money bags. Huh? Oh, I would love a 46 wagon. Yo, Kenny, come out.
He's in Korea right now.
Yeah, I know.
One thing I don't understand is why do they give it square exhaust outlets for round sharp? What was the point of that on the Spider? Like why? Yeah, she just made it round.
Okay, I lied, guys. There's still a lot of BMWs, and I still feel out of place. But that's okay.
You
Say okay.
Whoa, you never seen that?
Yes, I made a TikTok on.
Ooh, big old precision. Top mount. Yeah, there's a lot of fast cars here.
What's your name again?
Huh?
What's your name again? That's one.
Yeah.
No, it's Oliver.
My last name Waguna. Emphasis on the goon.
Meeting over the years now.
That's kind of funny because there's those Goonies. Sometimes I think about that.
That's baller,
I
yo.
want to see him in action. That's that money rich.
My wish already came true when Smith came into my life.
I'll let that one fly, chat. I'll let that one fly.
So I believe we're gonna be heading out soon. Just a quick little meet. I just wanted to put a video out, but
Our rollers came at the same time.
that
The rollers
G80.
not together, but one after the
Is
other.
that a comp? It is a comp. Super over here.
Is that you? Not together, but it was like we were traveling back together.
Very simple meet with some
I think that
really
was, I think that was,
well put together cars. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.
It was last year. It was
Hopefully some updates on the Type R soon. We'll show you those eventually. Follow me on Instagram. You'll find more on my Instagram. Goodbye.
Yeah, Axel.